A politician in Andhra Pradesh. The road that lies ahead for him, how he managed this turnaround from 2019 to 2024 and much more. Welcome to this India Today special.
अरे जो यहाँ दिखता है ना पवन, ये पवन नहीं आंधी है.
Power star to power politician. Pawan Kalyan's massy politics wins hearts.
Democracy cannot be taken granted. You should do your bit part. That's how I think I got myself into political process at an early age, maybe 17, 18.
100% strike rate in politics now. Andhra Pradesh's power-packed mandate. Pawan Power Play, India Today's special broadcast.
He's the new power politician of Andhra Pradesh. I'm talking, yes, about power star Pawan Kalyan, who's made that successful transition now into Andhra politics. And just take a look first at the numbers of how his party, the Jana Sena, performed in this election. 100% strike rate. In the assembly elections, he was given 21 seats to contest after a lot of compromise to accommodate the BJP and the TDP in this alliance. And Pawan Kalyan's party has managed to seal a victory in all 21 seats. Similarly, in the general election, his party contested in 2 seats. And guess what? They've bagged both seats as well, which is why everyone's talking about the Pawan Kalyan factor that swept through Andhra Pradesh. What exactly is his political role going to look like? What exactly changed from 2019 to now? How has he managed the successful entry into politics after a drubbing in 2019? Let's get you all those details, including excerpts of an exclusive conversation with the power star, the power politician himself.
The OG superstar of Tollywood, a mass hero with crores of crazy fans. He's known for his action scenes with his punch dialogues. Pawan Kalyan now has brought the same massy presence into politics, and how? A sample of that from one of his rallies.
I'm standing in the midst of a Pawan Kalyan rally in Gannavaram, close to Vijayawada. And this right here is the grace for superstar Pawan Kalyan. He's just reached. Look at the crowds as he greets every single person who's gathered here, welcoming and thanking everyone who's come here. All of these are massive Pawan Kalyan fans. I've never seen anything like this before. But he seems to be enjoying every moment of what's happening right now. Thousands of his supporters, fans, who are getting up onto each other to shake hands with the power star, doing everything they can to not just catch a glimpse but also interact with him, to just touch him. This right here is the craze for superstar Pawan Kalyan, with smiles patiently appreciating all the love and warmth that he's receiving. You can see there that the people have pretty much surrounded his vehicle.
But while this craze never translated to votes so far, this time Pawan Kalyan's Jana Sena has hit it out of the park. Winning all seats that they have contested, PK, the power politician, is clearly here to stay.
Sir, you've done the impossible here in Andhra Pradesh. There's a fine line between politics and film. It's all come together here at your rallies, sir.
No, because when I was in films, I never came out. I never gave hardly I used to give interviews, hardly I used to perform and do functions along. Apart from if people wanted to see me, they used to see me on screen. But first time, I think I got into politics only from 2009 onwards I started being in public. And I'm deep down, I do what I say. I think it is more than cinema. They connected with my thought process. For me, I'm motivated more to strengthen democracy. Democracy cannot be taken granted. You should do your bit part. That's how I think I got myself into political process at an early age, maybe 17, 18. I started getting into that. That's why I was more of a social responsibility. I think slowly, that's what was reflecting in films. And I think that graduated me to politics. Definitely, I want to serve nation, without a doubt.
So first step is Andhra?
No, not in terms of, for me, even right now I serve. It's not something, maybe it is not known to the entire nation, but I do serve. I do serve nation in the whatever way, maybe communicating a thought, communicating about national integrity, communicating about certain policies, and I do communicate. So politically, if that makes me, I think, a substantial amount of spoken Hindi is needed, definitely. It's not just English. I think spoken Hindi, the grip or command over Hindi language is very essential.
Prime Minister Modi also acknowledged the political superstar's stunning performance in the elections.
अरे जो यहाँ दिखता है ना पवन, ये पवन नहीं आंधी है.
Now, all eyes will be on whether Pawan Kalyan will be the new Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra, as he's now made the successful transition from films to politics. With Akshita Nandgopal, Bureau Report, India Today.
With the rise of Pawan Kalyan in Andhra politics, there are questions now being asked about whether what we witnessed in this 2024 elections is the dawn of a new era in Andhra politics. Is Pawan Kalyan poised in the years to come to become a chief minister of Andhra Pradesh, or does he harbour national ambitions? One thing's very clear, the power star is here to stay in Andhra politics. Thanks very much for tuning in to this special broadcast. This is Akshita Nandagopal signing off.